Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the compress stitch. This is a really simple, easy stitch to make, but it's got a beautiful, gentle texture to it. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 plus 1 for your turning chain. So to start our compress stitch, we're going to be working in the second and third chains from a hook for our first stitch. So in the second chain from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then go straight into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So this is your first stitch. So it's a single crochet 2 together. We're just going to mark that as our first stitch. And then chain 1. So into the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 1. And this is our repeat across the row. Single crochet 2 together over the next 2 stitches, and then chain 1. So keep your chain 1s loose between your single crochet 2 together, because you'll be working into them in the next row, and just carry on that repeat all the way across the row. Chain 1, and then when you have 1 stitch left, just make a single crochet in the last stitch. And that's row 1 of the compress stitch. Now I'm going to turn, chain 1, and essentially we're going to repeat row 1. So in the first stitch, insert your hook and start making a single crochet 2 together. Then you're going to finish it in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and this is your first stitch of the row, and then chain 1. And repeat that all the way across the row. So you'll start your compress stitch in top of the single crochet 2 together, and you'll make the second part in the chain 1 space. And always chain 1 between each stitch. And do this all the way across the row until you have 1 stitch left. So chain 1, then 1 stitch left, make a single crochet in the last stitch. And that's the compress stitch. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the compress stitch. So I would love to see what you make with this pretty stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more crochet stitch guides, free crochet patterns and hints and tips for your crochet as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.